This is a Pinebrook, and I won't be able to show you the whole thing. I'll certainly try, but it's a little dark in here to show you the whole thing, but definitely wanted to show off these cabinets. These are Hickory cabinets with a Savannah door and an oak stain. And when you do a dark stain on Hickory, it really calms it down, but you can still see the wood grain. So if the Pinebrook isn't your plan, these cabinets may still be something you're interested in. All the information for this home is listed in the description. What's really cool about the Pinebrook is all of the windows. And this one has a very nice sliding patio door. And this home is getting ready to be shipped, so all of this wood, etc., is sent loose to the site. See that this has vaulted ceilings. Okay, we'll go down here as much as we can see. Here would be your pantry. This is an extra bedroom. And your closets. Those are bifold doors. You can choose regular doors. Here's where it gets really dark. So this is the laundry, and it's really big and huge. You have room for a closet. Here's your cubby. And we still have space down here. Which actually, this one has a bathroom right there off of the main. So if you look at the floor plan on this one, or ask your builder for the floor plan, the house number is in the description. You'll be able to see a full bathroom right there off of the laundry. Here is a really nice walk-in closet. And this master bathroom is huge and has a walk-in shower. It's just going to be very, very dark. You have closet space right there, double doors. Again, this is the Pinebrook. This is another full bath here. So we've got the 3 bedrooms. This one actually has extra bath. Look in the description. I'll take a picture of that and show you so you can see what it looks like if you're interested in this one.